हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 8 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक। चैप्टर 2 है फ्रेसेस, उससे कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 8। यहां दिया हुआ है पिक आउट द एडजेक्टिव फ्रेसेस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस। फर्स्ट है अ मैन इन ग्रेट डिफिकल्टीज केम टू मी फॉर हेल्प। यहां फ्रेज क्या है? इन ग्रेट difficulties. He is a person of very considerable renown. Of very considerable renown. ये आपका adjective phrase है. Wild beasts in small cages are a sorry sight. In small cages. A man without an enemy is a man with few friends. Without an enemy, with few friends. He tells a tale with the ring of truth in it. With the ring of truth in it. A friend in need is a friend indeed. In need. A stitch in time saves 9. In time. A bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. In the hand. In the bush. Gardens with cool shady trees surround the village. With cool shady trees. Only a man with plenty of money buys a car of such beauty and power. With plenty of money of such beauty and power. In a low voice, he told the tale of his cruel wrongs. Of his cruel wrongs. Do you know the story of the noble Padmini? Of the noble Padmini. He was a lad of great promise. Of great promise. He bore a banner with a strange device. With a strange device. The police arrested a man of one of the criminal tribes. Of one of the criminal tribes. ये आपके सारे के सारे एडजेक्टिव फ्रेसेस हैं। आपको ये एक्सरसाइज अच्छी लगी? सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज।